Hey guys, is your Windows PC always showing wrong date and time or not updating date and time? So here is the fix. Just click on start button and search date and time. Hit enter. First of all, turn this off and click on change. Set the time accordingly from the drop down and click on change. And now again turn this button on and close the window. If still this issue is not fixed, then follow the method 2. Again click on start menu, just type time.nist.gov and click on this one. Go to the internet time. In this tab, just click on change setting. Make sure you select this one, this option, time.windows.com and click on update now. Then uncheck this and again check to the sync and click on OK. Again click on OK and refresh your laptop or computer. You will notice that the time will change automatically. If it is still not updating automatically, then just follow the third method. Just click on start button and type services, hit enter. Scroll down and find the Windows time. Just right click on it, click on properties. Here you have to choose the automatic and click OK. Close the window and restart your computer again. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.